Wait, don't screw. Do you know that you can actually be cooling off in Norway this year? Yes, you heard me right. Have you ever wondered why people are not talking about Norway? One of the reasons is because so many people are secretly relocating to this country without letting anyone know about the process. But don't worry, I got ya. The best part is that your travel expenses will be taken care of by your employer, and you can also move with your family. Your wife will be given an open work permit, which means she will be able to work in any sectors of the economy. Your children will have access to free school and medical care. And because Norway is part of the Schengen zone, you will be able to travel around the rest countries that make up the Schengen zone, such as Germany, Luxembourg, Italy, and a host of others. And do you know, transportation is almost free as the government have made this possible in some cities. The currency used here is Norwegian krone, and the population is approximately 5.6 million inhabitants. Guys, Norway has the largest oil reserves in Europe after Russia. This makes Norway one of the world's richest countries, and coupled with the high demand for foreign workers, the government has taken it upon itself to fill the shortage list. So if you are an individual that is skillful and talented, why not avail yourself the opportunity to apply for jobs in Norway? Who knows, you might be among those who will be celebrating this new year in a grand style. Friends, if you're watching this video late, it is probably because your post notification bell is switched off. Please kindly switch it on so that you'll be able to apply for jobs when the opportunity is still open. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family, friends, and well-wishers. If you have done that, thanks. I know you are itching to know how to apply for jobs in Norway. But don't worry, what is the need of having a certificate without attending classes? What this means is that you need to find out about the in-demand jobs in Norway. So friends, the in-demand jobs in Norway include nursing and healthcare, building and construction, education, retail and sales, manufacturing industries, office work, engineering and IT, tourism and transport, and a whole lot of others. So friends, all you need right now is to get for yourself a winning CV, cover letter, and a supporting statement, and start applying for jobs. Do not forget that I have already done a video on how you can create a striking CV on YouTube. Please go check it out. If you are generous enough to pay me, I'm going to assist you to create a striking CV. Friends, once you are able to get a job, the employer will issue you a work contract stating your job role. This work contract letter and other travel document is what you will need in order to apply for your visa. And the good news is that the visa fee as at the time of recording this video is just 90 euro, and the processing time is just 1 week. So friends, I would like you to sit back, relax as I walk you through the whole process of how you can secure for yourself a job to Norway. All that being said, guys, come with me. Let me show you how you can apply for jobs like a pro. So guys, the first site is Haneseth.no. When you come to this site, you see our company's applicable services, vacancies, reference project. You scroll down to see these are the various cities you can work in where the company relies. Then it says we are a large total technical group in Norway with independent company located throughout the country with over 500 employees. So our services, so if you're interested in which is electricity, like electricians, plumbers, security, automation, hydropower, high voltage personnel, you can apply. Now let's see how to apply for jobs. So you find vacancies here, click on vacancies. Then after that, you scroll down, you see all the various vacancies. It says, are you our new plumber? If you want to be a plumber, you click here to apply. We are looking for control quality technician, ventilation fitter, managed ventilation. So just look for the one that you want to apply for. Project manager, electricians. Once you are interested, maybe let's assume you're a plumber, you click on this one and apply for the job. So it says, are you our new plumber? Do you have a journeyman's certificate or a trade certificate as a plumber and a relevant work experience? Then you might be our new colleague. So trade certificate means they gave you a certificate. For those of you who studied from government-owned institution, they will always give you a certificate. That's what we call a trade certificate. So you have it already. Then you just use the trade certificate, like we said, trade certificate as a plumber. You need to apply for this job. All right, that's how one of my friends got a job in Finland as a welder. All right, so now this is your benefits. You can see they say they will give you a penthouse apartment. It says disposable apartment in a storm in the middle of Bodo city center. The apartment has 4 bedroom and 8 beds, so you'll be staying there, free accommodation. It says access to the group's cabin in Sunty Mountain Village, including free use of Skit Resort, free use of Skit Pass, fitness. You have access to gym. So what else do you want? Desired qualification. We already told you what you need. So once you are able to go through this job description, then the next thing is for you to just copy this. You can use this to contact them. You send your CV to them, and also your supporting statement. You write the reason why you're applying for this job. Why do you think you are the best fit for this job? Or you can use here, you say send your application here. You send your application here, click here, and it will take you to your email as well. So let's try it and see if it is going to open. So this is the email address, my email box. I'll put everything I need to put here. Then I'll compose a mail, solid mail. Write, convince them why you are the best fit for the job. Then attach your CV and if possible your cover letter. Okay, then you compose it here and you submit. Now guys, let's look at another site. This is Stendi.no. This is where you can get any job that has to do with care. So you can see it says housing and care service, wide child welfare, foster care, PBA, healthcare team. So apply for a job. You click here to apply for a job. So would you like to be contracted for vacancies? Go to the form for this year. Meet some of our employees. So if you want them to contact you for vacancy, you can click here and you get to the form. Let's check it out. So you just click here. So you are going to put your information on this site. Are you seeing it? You choose the role that you want, like child welfare. Anyone you want, you just click it, and or if it's all, you click and continue. You follow the process. They will contact you when there's vacancy. Put your email and you connect. Okay, let's go back. So you have 61 positions. So you can search for the one that you feel you can do. Child welfare. So let's see this job. You click it and just apply for it if you meet the requirements. Send application. We are looking for a head of department for our child welfare institution. So do you have bachelor's degree in health? Yes. Do you speak Norwegian well or equivalent to level 2? If no, you say no. If yes, you say yes. Do you have category B driver license? If you know how to drive, you click it. So let's say you don't know how to speak it, you put no. You can drive, you put it. Personal information, you see where you are going to put your full name. So let's assume this is me. I'll put, these are not my real information, so don't bother to contact me. Upload CV, you upload it here. Additional files like your cover letter or supporting statement, you put it here. Since there's a place for cover letter, you type your cover letter here. You copy and just paste it there and edit it to suit this company. And you click on these 2 checkboxes and send your application. The next site is this site that I love so much, Jobbnorge.no. When you come here, you have 2,176 vacancies. So you can register your CV and apply for vacancies by creating your job seeker profile. So if you want to reach out to recruiters, you can also use this site to reach out to them. So how do you find job on this site? So all you need to do is just to contact them, use their email, or you click on it, look at it, just copy this and go to your email box. You can go to your email box and just write them a letter of inquiry. So this letter is like a two-edged sword. You're going to use one stone to kill two birds. You will be asking if they have job vacancy while you are selling yourself by telling them what you are bringing to the table. Okay, once you are done, put all the skills, necessary skills that you have, attach it and send. I will advise you to translate it in Norwegian language in case they want it in that format, because they didn't state it in the application. Okay, so that is how you go about this one. So it says accurate job advertising. So let's see if there's any way we can actually search for job. It says search for job title, location. So we can just click view all. So let's see view all. It says 2,766 vacancies. So these are the vacancy, as you can see. These are the vacancy. Are you seeing it, guys? You just look for the one that you're interested in. Student advisor at the International Summer School, holiday substitute in the house service, nurse 100% permanent position in the home service store nurse, GP position, nurses, fees 65 mental health, substance abuse. So just look for the one that you want, and when you are satisfied, you just apply. Here, car damage repairer, that is Panabita. Are you seeing it, guys? So this is how you go about it. So if, for instance, you are interested in any particular one, you can use this to screw up assistant. Let's make it more. Yeah, assistant. All right, let's make it more specific. So you can click it and just check and see. See the deadline 26th of January 2025. Duration is permanent, and the scope is 50%, 2 positions. They need only 2 persons. So if you feel you are the best fit for this job, why not just apply? So personal qualities, you read about qualification and experience. Once you are done, you just come here and apply for this job. Guys, you can see I'm running. I don't want this video to be too long, so you can put your email and password if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you click here to create an account. You put your name, then you just put your password. I have read Jobbnorge, then register you as a user, then continue filling the form. Now this is the Oga pata of them all. For those of you who have been able to watch the video to this very point, I say congratulations to you. So Recruitment is a recruiting agent or a recruiting agency that offers the opportunity for foreigners to send their CV to bid for job. And apart from that, they also work with other agencies. So I'll be showing you like 10 different agencies that you can contact in order to get a job to Norway. So what you will need to do, you come to this site. It says trusted by leading companies in the industry. So these are the agencies that you can contact for job. Now what will you do? If you like anyone, you click on it and it will take you to their page. So the first one is Randstad, the second one is Dedicare, Barona, Amedia, Domino's, Batima, Kelly Service, Spovi, Power, Talento, Job Zone Tech, One Partner Group, MDE, Expertise, Team, Techno Gardens, Pecos, Personal Use. So when you are interested, let's assume you are interested in this company, which is Randstad. Come here and just put it Randstad. So when you come to Randstad's website, you can do it this way. This one is randstad.co.uk. So we are looking for randstad.no. So you can go through Google direct, it will give you. But if you don't want to go through Google, you can just go through this. You can see it. When you put NO, it means you are looking for Norway. Are you getting me, guys? So this is where you will come, as you can see. So you accept the cookies and search for jobs. We can help you with job seeker, customer. So job seeker, you read more. Job vacancies, just for 47 job vacancies. So let's look for the job vacancies. As you can see, guys, these are the jobs that are available as of today. You can click any one you like: maximum driver, warehouse employee, production employee, logistic coordinator, customer care advisor, cost coordinator, professional salesman. This is what you now do. You come here and just click on the one you want, like this. So we're almost done, guys. So what you need right now is for you, what can Automate offer you? So you read about it. When you are done, guys, you go through. Are you seeing it? Then you go through with this email. Copy this email and send them a mail. Are you seeing it, guys? Are you seeing it? So you can also fill here to get similar positions, and just they'll be sending you feedback or emails to advertise such position. So guys, I want to stop here, but I want to believe that you understand what you will do. For instance, look at this one, Barona. You can come here, type in barona.no. No means Norway. So you click search. So it will take you to the Norway branch of it, okay? I don't know if I'm making sense. Please, if I'm making sense, let me know in the comment section. So this is job vacancy. Click on it, or you click on recruitment, like international recruitment. You click on it. It says international recruitment solution to labor shortage. So what you can do is to read about it. You say the benefit of Barona's international recruitment. So you read about it just to get an idea of how it works. Guys, I will need to stop here. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you. Bye for now.